Alright, here's another box from Livestock Canada. This is actually a t-shirt. I love the coat, the shirt on the back of it, so I was like, yo, I have to cop. I've never heard of this brand. They carry some brands I've never heard of before, but they make some pretty fire pieces. The color was like, yo, that's a fire color. The brand is called Ignored Prayers. It's a size extra large. The color is coral. Comes in a dust bag like this. And I don't know how it'll fit because every brand fits different. I know that some like extra large will fit like a medium type or like a medium slash large, but let's see what this looks like. I saw it online before I placed my order, so this is up close. On the label it says Ignored Prayers. Then on the front it just says IP like that. And then on the back it says love all, trust few, do wrong to no one. There's no branding on sleeves or anything, it's just simple. But today I have on my New Era Toronto Blue Jays snapback. It's actually one of my older snapbacks, but I just love it because it goes with everything. It's just black, white with a hint of red like that. But that was it. Keeping it short, not gonna ramble on and all that bullshit. But take care, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Until later, take care. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you. I'm in. I'm out. Y'all be easy. Peace. Bye.